Day 4. I can't reach my shelf anymore. So this used to be my potting bench. Let's see, I can reach it now. So the plan is dig a little deeper so I can easily access the sides, also take a little bit more depth out of them, board up the sides, fill it with fresh compost, put glass on top to act as a cold frame for the spring, take them off in summer, put them back on in winter when I'm overwintering chilies and lettuce and stuff like that, and generally hope for a more controlled microclimate in here, because inside the soil itself is more of a constant temperature towards like 8 degrees. So I'm hoping that kind of generates at least a little bit of heat and protection, particularly if the glass is on top acting as a cold frame and the sides are made of soil, hopefully soaking in the heat during the day and releasing it at night. If there's more surface area to catch the sun, that should be what happens, but it's all an experiment, isn't it? These bits of wood are just guide wood for me. I'm going to replace it with better stuff, but it means I can just line up the shovel and scrape down the clay to help shape the beds like that. That tends to be working. It's cool down here, it's quite refreshing. Hat was inside out, we see. I guess now the real experiment begins. I have 2 thermometers here. There's a slight difference in humidity for each one, and the temperature goes between like 0.1 as well, as shown there. But I think for this experiment it's good enough. So I'm gonna leave one right there. I'm gonna put another one down here. Let's put it there to see the difference in temperature. I'm also gonna put another one in the other greenhouse as a measure. I should put 2 really, shouldn't I? Yeah, I'll do that. Okay, I've had a little breakthrough. I think I was overthinking it, to be honest. Digging down wooden sides, linking it up here to some steps and making like a raised bed in here. I'm just going to dig down everywhere and put a wooden frame around the edges. So what I've already got to work with, this base here, little base has a little lip all the way, so I can essentially attach a wooden frame to it. Hey, I can attach a wooden frame to it, much like where I can just slide the windows on top. Couldn't be simpler. So I think I'm going to build that frame now.